Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to look at a 2014 Nissan Juke having a lean condition, so there's a vacuum leak somewhere. So we'll show you guys what we found. So I have my little pump, right, smoke machine. Gonna turn it on, and what we found on this, we've made the repair already, but just so that you know, the smoke was coming from the PCV hose that you see underneath this assembly right here. But it connects to your PCV hose right here. It goes around on the bottom of this. You follow it there, here, and then it connects down here, that you can see right there. And because it has a cover over the hose, you couldn't see that it was actually broken or cracked. So that's where the leak was coming from. The smoke would come out just from the bottom over there where it connects to it. And we just went ahead and replaced the hose itself. To get access to this side, if you're going to replace your PCV valve, you need to remove this bracket right here. It's just 8 millimeters here, and 10 millimeter here and here for this bracket. You disconnect your oxygen sensor, right? And then you can move this assembly out and out of the way. For this, to get access to this, right, you remove this hose clamp, get this hose out, get this hose out. You remove a 10 millimeter here, this 8 millimeter hose you remove, and then over here, the 8 millimeter there, so that you can take this entire pipe out of here. And then disconnect to here, you can leave in place. But to give you a little bit more room, you disconnect it from this little harness. And then that way you can just flip and move it out of the way. And then you'll be able to get access to this bottom portion here. But like I said, it's very quick and simple. Just 10 millimeter bolts and some hose clamps, and then you're good to go. Right now we're just finished testing it to make sure that there's no leaks, and then we'll verify that. We'll clear the codes, and then this person can go on and get their car smogged because the check engine light was on for that vacuum leak. I hope this helps. And this little machine I got off of Amazon. So if you guys have any, I'm not sponsored or anything, but if you want the model number, just give me a comment and then I can give that for you. I hope this helped. Till next time.